Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your very dear friend Ezeibe Munachi crafty mom. So today we're going to be doing wall decoration, so you can do it all by yourself. So do want to subscribe to see all my DIY videos, because you're going to enjoy joining us as a family in this DIY in this DIY space. So first thing we do is to get our base ready. As usual, I use my carton paper, and I decided to use this green cardboard paper because of the background. Yes, because of the background. So I had to measure it out and cut it out. Already I have drawn the design, and for it to be very easier for me, so I'll have to retrace for you guys to see how I drew the peacock or the bird myself. So this is it. Yeah, if you are not good with drawing, you have to do your sketch on a rough paper before you transfer, so that you have a neat sheet. Okay, so you have a neat drawing. So guys, I'm done sketching, and this is what it looks like. The next thing here is prepare my stones. I did that earlier. I had to select the color and separate the colors so that it will be easier for me while designing. And the next thing we have to do is to glue the already sketched design on the base. So now it's time to assemble the stones on the already sketched bird. So guys, you need patience and resilience to do this. Like, you have to take your time to fix it, and at the end of the day, everything comes out, everything will worth your time. So now I'm going with the green stone first. Like I said, I separated the stones so that it will be easier for me to assemble them without having to find or look for, or having a hard time looking for a particular color. So I had to, separate them. So now I'm going in with green stone first on the head part. So next thing, we'll be going on the feathers. I'm using white stones, and this is a form of collage, right? A collage assemblage of materials on to create an object or to create a design. So this is actually a collage. I'll be using white stones on the feather side. On with the feather side, we're going to be doing on the abdomen, and I'm using totally a different color. So I'm using light blue on this part. So guys, we are done with the body and we're going to make the design. These are supposed to be the feathers, but is in a form of abstract feathers. So it's time to assemble the feathers.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah.
So how to throw in some different colors to make it colorful and unique on its own.
Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep.
So guys, we are done with the assemblage of the beads, the stones, and now is to put the feather on the head. After putting the feathers on the head, I'm going to go further to use the colorful pencil to detail the stones like I'm doing right now. Yeah, it helps, and I'm using a darker color. It helps to throw out the colors of the stones.
You in my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you.
So guys, my initial plan was to leave this on the green background, but I actually noticed that the background was overshadowing the colors, so I had to cut it off and so that the colors can be radiating, so that the colors can be seen, because I think the green background was actually taking the whole colors, thereby making the colors not look visible. So I decided to cut it off.
In photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Maybe I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Maybe I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So guys, I'm done cutting off the background and it looks so much better than the green background. So I had to throw in some darker color to help throw out the colors of on the stones. So this is what it looks like after working and being hung on the wall. So guys, tell me, is this what you can do at home? And if you like it, do it to comment on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to get your girl going. See you next time. Bye.